Yeah, I mean, for me, the climate crisis is real. I mean, we're seeing it every day, changing the climate. We're seeing it in terms of increased sort of weather occasions, storms, floodings, and so on. So it's something that is here. Something is happening and it's increasing and accelerating. So we need to address that as a species or humanity. If you look at circularity, the solution is, or no, let's take it like this. If you look at then a company and their climate impact, normally it goes like this. So here you have the supply chain and raw material extraction. Here you have customer use. And in between you have the distribution, you have the production, you have the retailing and all of those steps. But climate impact is in resource extraction and production and customer use of the products. So if you prolong the life of the products and you recirculate them, so you use them more times and more people use the same product, which means that then you will take down the resource extraction and the production part of your value chain, which means you will take down your climate impact. And if you stop putting new products out on the market, but you're reusing the ones that are already there, again, you will take down the climate impact that you have as a company. So addressing the two big areas of climate for a company is of course essential. Most companies today, they're looking at their scope 1 and scope 2 and in the middle here where their impact is not so big. But circularity and circular business models addresses the two big impact areas that every company has.